everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 25th to the 29th of April 2022 on Monday. Gladys and Dokozo learns that Melusi was arrested. Thathi is done with Pumlani on Tuesday. Mazel steals Sonto's gun, thirsty for revenge. Sibongile gives in to temptation and goes out with Mr. Lebalo on Wednesday. Nobody believes Thathi and this devastates her. Stobi becomes the ultimate obstacle in Sibongile's sentence fantasy on Thursday. Thathi has to deal with an unwanted visitor. Sibongile makes a bold move to secure the bursary. Ntokozo searches for answers about Melusi's arrest on Friday. Thathi cleans up after the murder. Bongani plans a surprise for Zodwa. Gugu and Chiamo learn something shocking about Pumlani. Guys, this all I thought today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.